everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I'm going to be showing you how to create this reddish plum brown eyeshadow look today. I did an Arabic cat eye along with my second attempt of a cut crease. Now the Arabic cat eye was my first attempt, so don't judge too harshly, but I think I did okay. Yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So this video will be uploaded July 15th, and I just want to let you know that I will be doing a giveaway on the 26th. It's a summer giveaway, and in that giveaway, I have 4 of the items that I put on my face today. It is the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer. This one is mine, and yours is already in the box, ready to ship out. The next thing I have is the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the MORPHE Setting Spray. As long as I'm available or I can ship it to you, I will. If not, because of rules of shipping of aerosol cans, if I can't, I'll just replace that with something else of the same value. And then I also have the MORPHE 3502 palette, and I use that to create this chestnut color cut crease look. But yeah, okay, now I'll show you how I created this look. Alright, the first thing I'm going in with is my Milani eyeshadow primer. Then for more coverage, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. After that, I'm going to go into my Colourpop QAF, and I'm going to use the color Full Zip. It's this color right here. After that, I'm going into my MORPHE 3502 palette, and I'm using the color Chestnut, which is this reddish brown plum color. It's called Chestnut. It's this one right here. Then I'm going to kind of blend it out where it won't have such a harsh line. Then I'm going to put my Tarte Shape Tape on the back of my hand. That way I can start working on my crease like you see there. Yeah, I'm just going to cut the line out. I'm using a brush that's really flat, like this one right here. This one's from Dollface, but pretty much any type of cheap eyeshadow palette might have it, like Equal Tools, Wet n Wild, pretty much anywhere. And what I like to do first, which this is like my second time doing a cut crease, so I want to dab it right here since I have hooded eyes and I need to see where I want my crease to go. I kind of just put it at the eye line, kind of heavily but not too heavy, and then close, like lift or put my head down. That way it touches the roof. That way that's a guideline of where I want my crease to be. And I pretty much just do the same thing for the inner and outer corner too. Like so. And then I just kind of carve it out in a circular shape. Alright, after I put the concealer on, I went back in with my blending brush, and I just kind of went over that spot just to make it where it wasn't as harsh. And now I'm going to go in with a angled eyeliner or eyebrow brush, kind of like this one. And I'm also going back in with the MORPHE palette, the MORPHE 3502 palette, and I'm using Wiz. I think that's how you spell it. I mean, say it. It's W-H-I-Z, and it's just this matte black color, and I'm going to create my own eyeliner, and I'm just going to use the MORPHE setting spray on the back of my hand, and using that color and kind of mixing them together, and going to draw out this Arabian cat eye. So any oopsies I make, I'm just going in with a Q-tip and my Burt's Bees facial cleansing palette just to clean up my mistakes. After that, I'm going back in with the chestnut color from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using my smudge brush to just clean, well, to just kind of smoke it out where it has that chestnut color right through there instead of just black, just to give it more dimension. After that, I'm using my Kicks mascara, Darling False Lash, and I'm just going to coat my top and bottom lashes. Alright, after I coat my lashes with my mascara, I'm going in with some falsies. These are from Wish. I will have all the products that I use in this makeup look down in my description box below, so you can check that out. I'm going to trim them and then apply them with my Kiss Lash Glue, but I think the next lash glue I want to try is the Duo kind. I haven't tried that one before, but I know the Ardell ones are good. If you ever experience where your lashes look a little white on the tips, like that one right there, just go in with any little eyeliner like this one from Kicks and just kind of dab it on top of the white spots. Alright, that's pretty much all of the eyeshadow part to this reddish plum brown eyeshadow look with a cut crease and a Arabic cat eye. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be right back with you after I put the rest of my face on. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said before, this is a reddish plum brown eyeshadow look, and I did a cut crease, and this was my second attempt of doing a cut crease ever, and it was my first attempt ever doing a Arabic cat eye. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you don't judge too harshly. I like the look. I just don't really like cut creases too much on my hooded eyes, but and I think the cat eye is a little too dramatic for me, but you know, it's makeup, we're just playing with it, right? And I want to remind you, I do have a giveaway going up later this month. It will be up the 26th at 1 p.m. Central Time, and in that I have 4 of the products that I used on my face today. With the Morphe setting spray, as long as I am allowed to ship it to you, I will, but if not, I'll just replace it with something of the same value. I also have the Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer, the Too Faced Hangover primer, and also the Morphe 3502 palette. But yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!
Thank you.